Hello, my dear customers. This is Anna from Landpack. Today, I'm introduce one of our customized for the hardwares for the visual counting and PE roll film tube film packing machine to you. So this is a finished products. This packing machine system is widely suitable for the hardwares and also for the plastic wheels with the coating. And some end customers worried about the coating will be very easy to be crushed and also be damaged. So this is just customized for this industry. And also the counting speed with the packing during is 2 to 4 bags per minute. So let's see one by one. Okay, this is for the first part. And this is for fitting the C-type fitting of the raw material from here. You can see we just do the silicone grab just for anti-damage and also anti-crash. So after fitting for this, then to the visual counting machine. So you can see here with eye mark sensor. If there is no raw material, they will be automatically give the signals to the Z-type animator and feeding the raw materials. And this is the brusher. It is just to spread for the raw material, not let them to stick together. And this is for the vibration, and also this is a vibration conveyor belt. And after that, they will do the counting, visual counting system here. Let's talk about that. So its total numbers is 200 pieces. So let's see how it working. So after this counting, it is for 150 bags will be here. And then the second tuner is just to refill for the next, for the leaving 15 pieces. So then total be the 200 pieces. This is counting for the second bag. And this is refill for the first bag. You can see how it's running. Okay, after it is all finished and the counting numbers is right, we will go to the packing tube film packing machine. This is the hopper, and then they will just a tube here and with the finished conveyor. For the counting system, you can see this is, so you can see the first bag, it is just leaving for 3 pieces. They were counting, and then this is the second bag, the counting here. Okay, for this finished bag, you also can do customized with a vacuum or just with the air blue function, means injecting the air, and also you can add options for the labeling or ribbon date or inject printer here. This touch screen just for controlling for the tube film packing machine. So you can see here, this is counting. This is just for the tube film operating system. Okay, so this is for the different bag lengths setting. It can keep for 10 parameters here. So it's very easy on the touch screen, setting for your different bag lengths.